Today is Instant Pot Day. I know you guys love these meal prep Instant Pot recipe videos. We are gonna throw together so quickly and easily a chicken stir-fry dish in the Instant Pot, mostly hands-off, super easy and fast to make. You guys love these recipe videos where I take you guys through a meal prep session and we use our Instant Pots because it's so fast and easy. I will link a playlist of other Instant Pot meal prep recipe videos for more inspiration if you want to check that out later. My husband has already requested for me to make this again. That is how incredibly delicious it is. Do you want to know what I love? It's easy. This girl is busy. Who isn't busy? Are you busy? Give me a thumbs up if you're busy like I am. I love cooking. You don't have to love cooking to make this recipe, but I do love cooking. I do not want to spend all of my Sunday in the kitchen making recipes. Grab your Instant Pot and let me show you how incredibly easy this is to make. Before we jump in, I wanted to show you guys this knife that was sent to me from the company Nakano. I've got to say, it is incredibly sharp, feels really good in my hand, came with this little informational booklet. This is the first time I actually used the knife. So we're gonna grab our pork cutlets, chops rather. I'm using very thick center cut chops I got from the butcher box. I do have a discount code I will leave in the description box below. So we're gonna start by slicing off this really thick skin that comes on one, it's on the side of it. It's like the fat, not skin, it's the fat that's on it, friends. You can take off as much or as little as you like, but I wanted to take it all off because this is for my husband and he doesn't want to eat that. Then you can actually save this, cook it down, render it as fat, and use it in other recipes if you like. Now we're gonna take our knife and we are gonna chop the pork chops into bite-sized pieces. Look at like butter. This knife goes through the pork. I was very impressed with it. And I have Cutco knives. I love my knives, but I've gotta say, I am really enjoying this knife. Make them into whatever size pieces that you like. Try to make them roughly the same size because remember, everything is going to cook together inside of the Instant Pot. Once you have everything chopped into bite-sized pieces, we're going to grab our Instant Pot, set it to saute on high. When hot, we're going to add in our oil. I love this hack. Pick the liner up, swoosh it around. That way the bottom is evenly coated. Then throw all that pork in there. Now I know what you're thinking, friends. You can't brown it. If you just throw it all in there, it's fine. Then we're gonna grab our spices. I'm using this bold and blackening spice from Thrive Market. I love this. It is so easy. Use any spice that you like. I do like that this spice doesn't have any junk in it and it's really easy to throw a meal together. Then we're gonna add in our water. Make sure you deglaze the bottom of the pot. This is very important. Do not skip this step. Then we're gonna grab our apple cider vinegar. This really helps to tenderize the pork. If you don't have this, you can use white vinegar or just skip it, but I like using it. Then we're gonna add in what am I using here? Jasmine rice. Make sure you rinse and drain it well. I'm not stirring, you could, but I'm not. I'm just making sure everything is underneath the water because we need everything to cook perfectly. Then we're gonna grab our lid, make sure the silicone ring is on. I'm gonna make broccoli with this, but I'm gonna just set this on the counter and let it kind of defrost. We don't wanna cook this with it. It would become way too mushy. Use any veggies that you like. We're gonna cook this on high pressure for 4 minutes. After 10 minutes of natural pressure, perform a quick release. Then when the pin drops, we're gonna open the lid and fluff everything up. Look at this absolutely perfectly cooked dish. While this was cooking, I was busy doing other things, more fun things. Another thing I love about my Instant Pot. Next, we're gonna add in our slightly thawed broccoli. Remember, this is meal prep, friends, so the broccoli doesn't have to be completely cooked. My husband is going to heat this up. I love such quick and easy recipes like this. Then grab your favorite meal prep container, spoon equal size amounts into each dish. You guys are going to love this recipe. If you enjoyed today's super easy Instant Pot meal prep recipe, give this video a big thumbs up, share it on your social media with anyone that you know that is struggling to make healthy, easy, and delicious meals in their own kitchen. Get your friends, coworkers, family out of the drive-thru. Share this recipe. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I will see you very soon. Bye, friends.